Welcome to this lesson of Master of Perspective. I'm Chelsey Turpening Coxsey, founder of The Way of Genius. This is a skill building practice for strengthening real neural pathways through direct experience. Today we're going back into the weave, the same golden pathways from our last session, with this time narrowing all the way down to one single thread. Before we begin, I want you to hold something real in mind. What pathway are you actually here for today? It might be about your health. Maybe you're recovering from something. Maybe you're looking for a pathway that needs to be found for the first time. It might be grief. It might be a skill you're building. An athlete, a surgeon, an engineer, anyone practicing precision through repetition. Whatever it is, hold it lightly. You don't need the whole plan, just the intention. So let's get comfortable and let's begin. I'm going to count you down from 10 to 1. Kind of close your eyes and take a full breath in and just let it go with a nice good exhale. 10. Settling your body, gentle and heavy. 9. Your breath slowing. 8. Your mind quieting, releasing the day. 7. The outside world growing soft and distant. 6. Attention turning inward. 5. Pulling, feeling the void pull you deeper. 4. Comfortably tuning into your inner world, the brainwave drift. 3. Almost there, finding just the right spot. 2. Letting go a little bit more. 1. Arriving to your destination. Settle here in the in-between and notice you have a choice available to you right now. Being present with your body or gently disconnected from it. Drifting somewhere between this room and the rest of your day. Take a moment to notice which one you're actually in without needing to change it. Let's enter the weave, the same neural path field from the previous lesson. Sense the weave forming around you. Golden lines, your neural pathways and threads mapping through you, running through and around you. Each one carrying something real. A story, a pattern you've lived, a habit worn smooth from use. Some threads are bright, glowing, with everything you've built through them. Some quieter and dimmer, waiting. This is you, your whole system, made visible, stretching out further than you could take in all at once. hold your intention gently here, the one you set before we began. Let it rest in the space with you without needing to force anything toward it yet. Let your attention move through the weave, unhurried. Somewhere in it, one single thread is calling. Maybe it's not the brightest, nor the most obvious, but the one connected to what you're actually here for today. Let yourself be drawn to it. It might be dim, needing to be found for the first time. It might be frayed, needing repair. It might not even fully exist yet, just an opening, a void, a place where something new is ready to be built. Notice if something meets you at this particular line. The presence tending this specific pathway, the way a gardener tends one part of a larger garden. This presence doesn't speak, not in words. It works the way a real mentor or coach does when words aren't the point. Revealing, challenging, creating the conditions for change to actually happen. An attractor, gathering this pathway towards itself through story, experiential, not conversation. This presence isn't only here for today. It can exist for you beyond this session too. Your own symbolic, cognitive, autonomous part of yourself, available to return whenever the same pathway needs tending again. Let this presence show you the story held in this pathway. Not told to you, but shown. Something moving. Maybe it's healing. Maybe it's change, unfolding across real time. Somewhere in this story, the wisdom is already there, not explained, just revealed. What does this pathway already know that this story is showing you right now? Keep moving through the neural pathway. If it be story, experience, practice, somewhere in it, you'll see the application, this metacognitive moment where wisdom is actually lived out and practiced, not told what it looks like. Watch it happen. Let it move further still. Somewhere here, this practice stops being something separate, or something you do, and starts becoming simply a part of how you move. That's the integration, arriving in the perspective inside the story itself, the archetype's eyes. And then almost, without you deciding it, the way a real transformation actually happens. Notice how the stories or the experiential stop being something you're watching from the outside, but something you live from within, inside the story. Seeing from your own eyes, embodied and present. This is the identity phase. Not a version of you forcing it. The one already waiting on the other side of this pathway, fully strengthened, looking at the version of yourself on the other side of the path, on the other side of the experiential. Feel the distance between where you actually are right now and this version of you you're standing inside with. You don't need to close that distance today. Just feel it honestly, both ends at once. The you who started this practice and the you the story just revealed. Whenever this feels complete, let the thread settle back into the weave, staying exactly as frayed or as new as it currently is. Maybe you feel this vital photon force glowing through. Begin to feel your way back into your body. Now, definitely time to notice your toes. Wiggle them if you'd like. And feel your breath full and easy. Before you open your eyes, hold on to whatever you found, even if it's just the shape of the intention itself, and not yet the answer. And open your eyes whenever you're ready. This is a repeatable practice, not a one-time fix. The pathway you found today, whether new or broken or waiting to be built, strengthens the same way any pathway does through returning to it again and again with real intention each time. Until next time.